Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to homeschooling. And if you're watching for the first time, please subscribe my channel and press that notification bell for more interesting videos. Friends, everybody is watching the videos but not subscribing. Please subscribe the channel and support me, guys. So today in this video, let's see small cursive ABCD. How to write small cursive ABCDs. So let's see. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So friends, this is how you can learn a beautiful handwriting by writing the small cursive ABCDs. So I hope you guys like this video. So hit the like button and subscribe my channel homeschooling, and please support me, guys, and watch other videos also. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.